Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a very healthy breakfast, pearl millet idli. To watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. To make this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of urad dal and 3 cups of pearl millet. Along with this, I have added a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash this well and soak it in water for about 6 hours or overnight. Once the soaking time is over, add this to a blender. Without adding too much of water, grind it into a fine paste. I am adding the soaked water itself. This will help in the fermentation process. Make sure the batter is really fine. If it is coarse, the idli will be hard. I am going to be using my instant pot for the fermentation process. So I have transferred the batter into the instant pot and giving it a nice mix with my hands because this will help in the fermentation process again. I'm starting my instant pot in the yogurt mode and selecting the ferment option in the sub-menu. The timer is set for 14 hours, but I'm going to be fermenting the batter for about 10 to 12 hours depending on the room temperature. This is after 11.5 an hour. My batter is completely fermented. Give it a nice mix and transfer it to a container. This batter can be stored in the fridge for about a week to 10 days. When you want to make idlis, take required amount of batter into another bowl and add salt to taste. And you can add about half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is completely optional, but this will make the idlis more soft and spongy. Add enough water to make the batter into a semi-thick liquid. Now using ghee or oil, grease your idli plates. And start adding 1/4 cup of batter into each idli mold. Do the same to all the idli plates. I'm going to be again using my instant pot for steaming. You can either use your idli pot or even a pressure cooker for steaming. Steam these idlis for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you are using instant pot, use the steam option for 15 minutes and set the timer on. Once it is done, carefully remove the plates from the instant pot and let the idlis rest for a couple of minutes before taking them out. Using a spoon, remove the idlis carefully from the mold and place them in a serving dish. That's it. Your healthy pearl millet idlis are ready to be served for breakfast. Serve it with sambar or chutney. Enjoy!